I'm done. Look, I'm finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say.
I'm the first one on the new road!
It looks well, matches the rest of the town. Look, Doc said when I finish, I could go. That was...
Deal was you fix the road, not make it worse. I'll scrape it off. Start over again.
Okay, look, Grandpa, I'm not a bulldozer. I'm a rare room.
Oh, is that right? Then why don't we just have a little race? Me and you.
What? Me and you. Is that a joke? You stop? The race is only one lap, guys. Uno lapo. Don't need any help. I work solo mio, ay molo mio.
Fine. Race your way.
No pit stopo. Comprendo? Okay. Yeah.
Gentlemen, start your engines!
Luigi?
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show. Three to get ready, and quattro to... I can't believe.
Let's go!
Huh? Doc, the flag means...
Go!
Remember the flag? Here we go. Go.
Doc, what are you doing, man?
Lousy. Have fun fishing, mater.